All right. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, January 9th, 2025. Beach the Money Honey here, bringing you the market overview. We're really not going to have a lot to talk about this morning. The markets are closed in observance of the passing of former President Jimmy Carter at the age of 100. So we are going to focus on Bitcoin today. I know this has been a hot topic of conversation since we had this uh, pullback from 102,736. And now we are currently at 93.4. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. And if we zoom out a little bit, I just would like for you to see this. We are in a trading range, but there is good news here. So let me draw some lines here for you guys so you can see that we've been in this range for quite some time, and I expect it to continue till I would say January 20th. We're going to see this volatility in this ranging. But until we have the new administration sworn into office, we're probably going to see more volatility. And that's kind of going to be the theme, I think, of this year's volatility. But for crypto, I think that the volatility will be more in an upwards direction. If we zoom out and look where we are now, I just kind of want you to see something. This yellow line is our 200-day moving average. The white line is our VWAP, or volume weighted average price. And you can see, since we fell out of the upwards channel that we were in, and we were moving this way, fell out of this upward trend, and we began ranging. Our price actually has moved higher. So you can see the VWAP is popping over this 200-day moving average. And usually when you see a move like that, the moves tend to get more violent. You see, wider ups and downs before we go head back into a direction. So this is positive, actually, because we popped over that 200-day moving average for the price after falling from this high back here in December of 108. So this tells me that what we're going to be doing is this large range of motion before we resume our next move up to a new all-time high. And if you zoom out and you look at these candles, it looks like we may have stopped this downward trajectory. I like to see like this long wick. So this tells me that we hit a wall of orders that caused the price to pop up. And then we're kind of stalling out here on this downward move. We've got a doji that's formed, another wick on the candle before it. And so this is a 4-hour chart. And then we also hit this support level of 93.4. Now, is it possible that we move down further? Absolutely, it is. But I don't think it's going to be something that is a permanent move to the downside. Now, you will see all sorts of news stories and BlackRock this and BlackRock that. And I mean, keep in mind that we've got entire nations that are talking about establishing a Bitcoin reserve, including the United States. And if I had to make a bet on that, I would say that the likelihood of that happening is definitely more than 50%. I think we're skewed, higher towards the 75% range, just because I think we have to. I think we're going to have to do something, to start bailing ourselves out of this debt. So this is our out. This is our opportunity. The incoming administration has expressed interest in doing this and that they want to do this quickly. So, I think we're seeing just the normal volatility with the uncertainty in the market, maybe some market manipulation. I mean, if I were not in Bitcoin, this would be a place where I would buy and get in and hold it because we're going to see some upward trajectory this year, in my opinion. So, that's what we're looking at there. I have not sold any of mine. I hold it because I've got more of a long-term view on this. But I understand that these large moves can be scary. Really, I think we just have to kind of zoom out and really think about what we've got going on, and how this thing's going to move. But the volatility in this context for Bitcoin, this is really nothing. So, I think there is light at the end of the tunnel here, on this move down, and it seems to appear to me that we may be the momentum downward has slowed. So, I would, not be surprised at all if you see a snap back and then we're off again to the races. So, anyway, that is it for me. I would say have a great day if you are trading crypto. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you back here again tomorrow. Have a great day.